Good evening. Hope everyone had a great weekend. And tonight I wanted to share the sale of, again, another one of these modern masterpieces that I love talking about because they're interesting. It's kind of this new hot trend right now. How long it lasts, one can only guess, I guess. But tonight on Great Collections, okay, the end of a week-long auction that ends every Sunday, okay, another absolutely blistering, gorgeous Lincoln cent sold for an insane king's ransom type money. It's a 1973 Lincoln cent. This one graded out PCGS Mint State 67 plus red. Okay, so it's a full red coin, and this one's sold to the tune of $3,712.50. Now, one can only speculate that a coin of this ilk, okay, someone has to be really gosh darn special to just dump nearly $4,000 of their hard-earned money into a coin that routinely pops up in circulation in varying grades, from good to get good condition all the way up into some of those nicer mint state grades. Now, let's be honest. Does this look like a coin that could just pop up in circulation, mark-free, clean fields, strong strike? It's kind of doubtful. This is one of those coins that end up coming up in BU rolls or mint sets, and it's going to take hundreds, if not thousands, of coins to sort through, and I mean thousands of brilliant uncirculated coins to find a candidate that would be worthy of even sending out to a PCGS or NGC for that matter. So this is what they call a top pop. All right, it is the finest known at the grade level, and the group of people that this appeals to are the registry set collectors. All right, they're the kind of, I don't know, I'm not going to say elite, because I suppose you could assemble any kind of level of set. You could do a set of Mint State 65s, which would be incredibly affordable for these coins. But the highest graded registry sets are graded on a point scale. So the highest point scale would award XYZ set the highest point total. I think it's more for bragging rights, but you do own the nicest and finest set of modern Lincoln cents available today. Okay, now can you resell this for nearly $4,000? I don't know. There might be someone else that, two or three other people that engaged in this particular bidding battle, okay, that ramped it up to that high. So it might be an opportunity. If the same coin does go out to auction, let's say this person breaks up his registry set for whatever reason and went ahead and sold it, okay, could sell for more, could sell for a little bit less, could sell for a lot less. Moderns in general is kind of a huge gamble, but it's one where you can make money if you feel like specializing in it. But again, to give you an idea of the importance of the plus grade, I've also enclosed right here a nearly comparable Mint State 67 without the plus that sold back in July. And I never did a video on this one. I like to see coins that hit kind of like that $1,000 threshold in moderns for it to be kind of newsworthy. But this particular Mint State 67 without the plus sold for $787. So there's nearly a $3,000 price difference just by adding that extra plus grade in there. It kind of takes your breath away if you think about it, and kind of like, man, who in their right mind would spend this kind of money on something that I obtain in my Starbucks change every morning. Yeah, I don't know. It's I guess whatever floats each one's proverbial boat. But I wanted to report on this sale, give my honest review on the coin. It's a spectacular coin. Let's be honest. a date range, a decade in which, you know, a lot of the coins had a myriad of planchet issues before the coins were even struck. And then to find one that is, you know, at this grade level, kudos, you know, chef's kiss on this one. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, it's a tale of two coins and $3,000. Personally, the $800 variety is a lot more appealing, but wouldn't you rather spend it on like a nice mid-state classic head, you know, large cent? I know I would. But anyways, it was a pleasure talking about this one. Hit like, please do subscribe onto Blue Ridge Silverhound if you haven't done so already. Hit the bell below for instant notifications, so as I put up new videos, you'll receive the notification of a new video by, you know, yours truly. And as always, you know, I hope you guys have a nice, safe evening. You guys enjoy your Monday for your work week, and I'll talk to you guys soon. All right, keep hunting.